Hello everybody, welcome back. It is Tuesday the 22nd of April and it feels like I've not been here since forever, but really we've just had a long weekend off because of Easter. But you guys can see where I am. I'm on the Bonny Street bridge and I don't have my tripod today because I'm on my own, and the tripod belongs to my partner and he didn't want to come out today. He wasn't feeling up to it, he was just tired and all, so I've come out on my own, so I'm here to film today. So first we're going to check out Desmond Tutu, who is at the bottom here, or the top end, or whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going to try and get a steady spot. He's doing a little bit of work down there. I might just actually move and go on to Skylar because we've got Tutu who is moving there. We've got original Desmond who's in the middle and he's completely not moving. So let's come out a little bit again. And I'm going to walk round to get a good shot of Skylar around here. I think this is a fairly good angle. Just zoom in here, and this is where we're going to be for today. Let's go out a little bit and go up. I'm just going to lean somewhere, get my elbow down. I hope I'm not going to have that shoulder pain afterwards for keeping my arms so stiff while filming. In fact, I think I'm going to switch hands, so excuse the wobbliness while I switch hands. I think that's better. I've kind of been used to the tripod for the last few videos and it's been so much easier just to set that up and leave the camera there, so it's kind of tough for me now to start holding it again. Taylor appears to have stopped there. I'm going to keep the camera pointed there for a bit, because sometimes he stops for a minute and then he starts again. I mean, he's still in his cab. There we go, we're back again now. That looks pretty tough to get down, doesn't it, that bit? It looks pretty solid. Like maximum effort there from Skylar. There is supposed to be an even bigger machine coming down. That's what people have said in my comments. So this week there's supposed to be a machine that's even bigger than Desmond Tutu coming down. So hopefully we'll see that one sitting, and I'm guessing that's the one that's going to be going down the Bonny Street side. I think they said it's working on another job at the moment at Liverpool. I mean, feel free to correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm just trying to remember what I read. Well folks, I'm going to finish this video now, but I will stick around and record another one straight after. So we will be getting some more demolition to watch today. But for now, as always, I'm just going to say, as usual, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you all very soon in the next one. Goodbye.